श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्या सुमनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्युतं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्भुजयुग्मरुक्मव्यामोहतस्थितितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षये। हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभाण्महं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्री सत्यसायिनं मम अन्तर्यामिनम्। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीम् अक्षमालां ददानास्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमभिचुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा समाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम्। गोष्पदीकृतवारिशम् अशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धोः सलिलं सलीलं यशोकवह्निं जनकात्मजायाः आदाय तेनैव ददाह लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम् आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथ कीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसी जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना तदुपगतसमाससन्धियोगं सममधुरोपनार्थवाक्यबद्धं रघुवरचरितं मुनिप्रणीतं दशशरसश्च वदं निशामयध्वम्। मानिषादप्रतिष्ठां त्वमगमशाश्वती समाह यत्क्रौञ्च मिथुनादेकमवधि काममोहितम् आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परम् व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। वामे भूमिसुता पुरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रा सुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादुकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। गुरुवर्ते त्यक्तराज्यो व्यचरदनुवनं पद्मपद्भ्यां प्रियायाः पाणिस्पर्शा क्षमाभ्यां मृजितपदरुजो यो हरीन्द्रानुजाभ्यां वैरूप्या शूर्पणख्या प्रियविरहरुषारोपितभ्रूविजृम्भ त्रस्ताब्दिर्बद्धसेतुः कलदवदहनः कौशलेन्द्रो अवधानः। जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय जय राम राम। आञ्जनेय स्वामी की जय। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथ कीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। Wherever Ramayana is narrated, there, whether anybody else is coming to listen to it or not, Hanuman will be present. Hanuman is not interested in who is narrating it, how they are narrating it, who is singing his glories, how they are singing it. All he is interested in is Raghunatha Kirtanam. Such an extraordinary Swami Bhakti. Aho Swaminite Bhaktihin Angada is going to praise this Hanuman. what devotion towards his Lord, his Master, that wherever his glories are going to be chanted, there he is going to be present. That is why we say Anjaneya Swami ki jai. Dasharatha Maharaja, Dasharatha Chakravarti is deliberating with all of his ministers and well-wishers as to the marriage issue of Rama. When suddenly, unannounced, Vishwamitra Maharishi appeared at the door of Dasharatha, arrived there and told the doorkeepers to go and announce, Shigramakyatamam praptam kaushikam gadinasutam. Go and quickly, Shigram, quickly announce, quickly inform, Akyata. We declare, Shigram Akyata, another Mam praptam, he has attained me. He has attained me. Kaushikam gadinasutam. Me, Vishwamitra, he has attained. Cholo go. Is that ego that he arrives there and says he has attained me? Appadina, the ahankara illa. It is not ahankara. Knowing the deliberation that is going on within, Vishwamitra has arrived without. He is standing outside knowing what is going on. Adanala Mam Praptam, Abdiyana, the solution to his problem has arrived in Cholupo. Go and tell him the solution to his problem has arrived. He is worried about how to get Rama married, whom shall I get Rama married to, and so on. I have come to solve that problem for him. Abdiyana Mam Praptam. Now, he has not merely attained me, he has attained the solution to his problem. He has attained through me 4 daughters-in-law. Not only that, he is going to do the Arangetram for Rama. In musical circles, when somebody has been learning music or dance, they will one day come out in public and perform in front of everybody a debut performance. A debut performance, it's called Arangetram. Yeah. Rama and Lakshmana, in the same manner, have learnt all the arts of warfare, archery. But they also need to have an Arangetram. They need to have a debut. Vishwamitra has come to do the debut. He has arranged a stage for that. Not only that, he has got several special things to impart to Rama, to give to Rama and Lakshmana. So he has come for all of that. Adanale, he is going to spell the highest good to the entire Ikshvaku clan. Therefore, he says, Mam praptam shigrama mam praptam kaushikam gadina sutam. Abdini is standing there and saying it. On listening to this, Tachrutva Vachanam Trasat Abdina. On hearing these words, Trasat, trembling from fear, trembling out of fear, the guards ran into the king's Veshma, the king's hall. Pradudruhu, Abdina, they hastened, they rushed inside out of fear. Fear, Abdina. A single second that Vishwamitra Maharishi is standing outside unattended is 1 second too many. Herbata Maharishi, by all rights, he should have been welcomed at the very outskirts of Ayodhya and should have been escorted with due respect inside. And Vishwamitra Maharishi has absolutely no ego. Proof. He has quietly walked in. He is going to walk into Janaka's kingdom also in the same way. Announcement lang. He doesn't camp outside and say, call, go, tell. La. Anandama wherever. No self-consciousness, no ahankara, no ego. Priya tapasvi leya. Mighty tapasvi. What is tapas? Ahamapetakam nijavibanakam mahadidam tapaha. Ramana Vakyam. Ahankara rahitama. Without any ego, to engage only in one purpose, one goal. which is why he has been given a name Vishwamitra, Vishwamitran, Vishwathukku Mitran avar. He is the friend of the entire world avar. Yenna. He is interested in bringing about the welfare of all the worlds, and for that he is not going to stand on ceremony. He is not going to wait for people to come invite him or be respectful to him before he decides to do good for the world. Doing good for the world does not require any invitation. He has come. But the gods understand who has come here. Chucho. Mahatma is standing here. We are not the appropriate people to welcome him. He should not stand like this in Gardana. They are rushing. Te gatva Rajabhavanam Vishwamitra Rishim tada Praptava அங்க போய் சொல்றா விஸ்வாமித்ர மகர்ஷி வந்துட்டார் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக ஓடி போறா. பிராப்தம் வேதயா அங்க போய் they are narrating it, letting the king know that Vedayamasuhu, communicating, letting the king know that Vishwamitra Maharshi has come. Praptam Vishwamitra Rishim Praptam அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடு. Vishwamitra Rishi has come here. அப்படின்னு the moment he said it, immediately Dasharatha got up with great joy. தேஷாம் தத் வச்சனம் ஸ்ருத்வா அவ கேட்ட நாளைக்கு உடனே வந்துட்டான் அப்படியே சந்தோஷத்தோட. சபுரோதா சமாஹிதः ஹ்ருஷ்டோ பிரம்மாண்டமிவ வாசவः. Like Indra going to receive Brahma, he ran out along with all of his people, his preceptors, his purohitas, his counselors, ministers, everybody, they all rushed ahead to welcome this Maharshi who has come. He is standing there waiting patiently for them to come. Why can't he come inside? That is not right. That is not appropriate. You can't barge into someone's house. Even if it is for the welfare of the world, you still cannot barge into their house. But there is no need to stand on ceremony. This is a combination. Combination. I am only interested in the welfare of the world. So I will walk straight into Dasharatha's main hall. He is standing out at the door. But at the same time, he doesn't mind standing at the door. So in this, you can see how he balances the universal welfare with personal liberty and personal space also. Balance. You cannot impinge on someone's liberty or privacy, even when it is for the welfare of the world, but at the same time you send word. But he rushes there and Vishwamitra Maharshi is standing there. How is he standing there? Valmiki ki santosham. When Valmiki wants to describe another Maharshi, he feels so happy. Tam drishtva jwalitam deeptya tapasam samshitavratam prahrishtvadano raja tato argyam upaharayat. Again he walks there and he sees this rishi standing there. How is this rishi standing? Jwalitam அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. அப்படியே jwala அப்படின்னா burning tongue of flame. This rishi is burning up with what now? Effulgence, radiance. அப்படியே jwalitam deeptya. He is burning with effulgence. ஜொலிக்கிறார் அப்படியே. தாபசம் ஏன் ஜொலிக்கிறார்? why is he shining? நிறைய மேக்கப் போட்டு வந்துட்டாரா? கிளிட்டர் போட்டு வந்துட்டாரா? தாபசம் தபஸ்வி, அதனால he is shining. தபஸ் தானே நமக்கு தேஜஸ். மேக்கப் is not necessary. Foundation is not necessary. Lipstick is not necessary. Some face powder is not necessary. What is necessary? Tapas is necessary. Those who do not have tapas will have to do all the other things. Vishwamitra Maharshi ki forest la enna makeup kadikka porudhu avarku. Ana jwalitam kara, jwalikkarar apdiye. He is shining. Jwalitam deeptya tapasam yenna samshitavratam. அப்படியே austerity is enshrined in him. He has completed his tapasya, he has completed his vrata, he has fully fulfilled his vrata, samshita vrata, fulfilled all his vows. பண்ண வேண்டியதெல்லாம் பண்ணி முடிச்சாச்சாம் அவருக்கு. கர்த்தவியம் கிருத்தம் அப்படின்னு உட்கார்ந்துருக்கார். அதனால there is an inner satisfaction that arises when you know you have done everything that needs to be done. And when you are clear with that, your face will shine. When you are unclear within yourself, you think there is something left for me to do, your face will be clouded. Clean-ஆ clear-ஆ இருக்கு யாருக்குமே. எனக்கு ஒரு குழந்தை கூட homework முடிச்சிடுதுன்னா clean ஆயிடும். தபஸுக்கு மாத்திரம் இல்லை, even a child, if the homework is finished for the day, everything has been finished, ஒரு clarity will come into the, அவாடா அப்படின்னு அது கூட ஒரு சின்ன ஜொலிப்பு வந்துடும். There will be a radiance in the child's face. அப்போ இவர் எல்லாம் whatever needs to be done in life has been done by him, accomplished by him அப்படிங்கிற ஞானி, பூர்ண ஞானி, one who has realized the self, one who has realized the truth of the Atma, அதை உட்கார்ந்து அப்படி உட்கார்ந்து இருந்தாருன்னா அப்ப எப்படி இருக்கணும் அவர்? ஜ்வலிதம் தீப்தியா தாபசம் சம்ஷிதவ்ரதம் சொல்றதுக்கே நமக்கு ஆனந்தமா இருக்கு. இதை பத்தி to simply describe Vishwamitra Maharishi standing there is giving so much delight and joy. सदृष्ट्वा ज्वलितं दीप्त्या तापसं संशितव्रतं बृहष्टवदनो राजा ततो अर्घ्यमुपहारयत्. He came there and gave argyam, washed his feet, argyam bhatyam எல்லாம் கொடுக்கிறார். Offers water to him to wash his feet and hands. என்ன வெளியில வந்திருக்கா இல்லையா, கையெல்லாம் அலம்பிட்டு தான் உள்ள வரணும். ட்ரெடிஷன்ல இருக்குது. In our tradition, in order to prevent these kind of communicable diseases and so on, what do we do அப்படின்னா, as soon as the guest comes to the house, we give them argyam, பாத்யம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். பாத்யம்னா காலில் மிக்கிற தண்ணி, water to wash their hands, water to wash their feet, and ஆச்சமனம், water to wash their mouth. கை காலெல்லாம் வாஷ் பண்ணி உள்ள நுழையணும். Then only they come inside the house. என்ன பண்ணான்னா, they made this itself an act of respect. அதான் அழகு. ஒரு கெஸ்ட் வந்தா அப்படின்னா immediately you take hand sanitizer and give it to them with very due respect. அப்படின்னா வகையெல்லாம் தொடச்சிட்டு வந்தா ரெஸ்பெக்ட், அதான் மரியாதை. So எல்லாம் all the whatever needs to be done, water to wash his hands and so on is done. सराज्ञः प्रतिगृह्यार्घ्यं शास्त्रदृष्टेन कर्मणा कुशलं च व्ययं चैव पर्यपृच्छन्नराधिपम्. Our Vishwamitra is receiving all of the hospitality, the offerings that are prescribed by the Shastra. Shastra drishtena karmana, அப்படின்னா karmana, the various actions that are Shastra drishtena, Shastra shows it to us. இதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும், these things have to be done அப்படின்னா whatever it is that Shastra shows, all of that Dasharatha performed, Vishwamitra accepted, and having received all that pratigrihya, he says Naradipam to the king, he says Kushalam cha avyayam paryaprichat. He asked about the welfare of the kingdom. எப்படி இருக்கேப்பா Dasharatha, how are you? Pure कोशे जनपदे बान्धवेषु सुहृत्सु च कुशलं कौशिको राज्ञः पर्यपृच्छत् सुधार्मिकः. எப்படி கேக்குறாரு பாருங்க, சுதார்மிகா கௌஷிகா, the one who knows dharma very well, Vishwamitra, he asks the king, how are you? நீ எப்படி இருக்கேப்பா, how are you? Pure, how is your kingdom? How are all these people in your kingdom? Koshe, how is your wealth treasury? Janapade, in all the villages, the rural areas. Bandhaveshu, all your relatives. Suhrutsu, all your friends. Kushalam, எல்லாரோட குஷலமும் கேட்கிறாராம். How are you? How are your finances? How is the kingdom? How are the people of your kingdom? How are the villages and the people in the villages and the rural economy? How is that doing? Rural health, welfare. How are your family, your friends, your relatives, all of them? எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கா? How are they all? अपिते सन्नताः सर्वे सामन्तारिपवोजिताः दैवं च मानुषं चापि कर्म ते साध्वनुष्ठितम्. கேட்குற கேள்வி அழகா இருக்கு பாருங்க. எதுக்கு போடணும்னா we learn how to குஷல பிரசனம் பண்றோம் இல்லையா. whenever we go meet somebody how are you னு கேட்கறோம். ஆனா வெறும் how are you is not enough. தர்மம் தெரிஞ்சவா எப்படி கேட்கறான்னு பாருங்க. those who know the dharma they don't simply ask how are you, because how are you relates merely to the physical bodily health. who cares about that? ஓரளவுக்கு தானே. மோஸ்ட்லி எனிதிங், no matter who you are, which age you are, where you are, how are you, எங்கேயோ some pain is there, some deficiency is there, some inconvenience is there. இது சகஜம் எல்லாருக்கும். அது இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் இல்லையா? வாட் இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அப்படின்னா அபிதே சன்னதா சர்வே சாமந்தா ரிபவோஜிதாஹ, ஆர் ஆல் தி tributary kings submissive to you, is law and order maintained by you. அதுக்கப்புறமா கேட்கிறா தெய்வம் ச மானுஷம் சாபி கர்மதே சாது அனுஷ்டிதம், are you performing all the karmas that are should be done in order to propitiate the gods and men? அதிதி யஜ்ஞா இருக்கு, தேவ யஜ்ஞா இருக்கு, ரிஷி யஜ்ஞா இருக்கு, பித்ரு யஜ்ஞா இருக்கு, பூத யஜ்ஞா இருக்கு. are you performing all of these properly? all the duties that need to be done, are you following dharma properly னு கேட்கிறார். ராஜாவை கேட்டுட்டு பின்னாடி வசிஷ்டா etc are all standing there இல்லையா. அதனால வசிஷ்டம் ச சமாகம்ய he goes and asks வசிஷ்டா குஷலம் முனி புங்கவஹ. வசிஷ்ட பகவானை போத்து, என்ன வசிஷ்டரே சௌரியமா, எப்படி இருக்கீர், how are you? ரிஷீம்ஸ்ச தான்யதான்யாயம் மகாபாகானுவாசஹ. then he goes and asks with all the other rishis also in the due order of pecking order. ஒன்று இருக்கும் ரிஷிகளுக்கு, அவளுக்குள்ள விஸ்வாமித்திர மகரிஷி வந்து கூப்பிடுறேன், வசிஷ்டா சமமா இருப்பார், இவர் பிரம்ம ரிஷி ஈக்குவலா இருப்பார். there are others who are lesser than விஸ்வாமித்ரா in position. அவள்லாம் விஸ்வாமித்திரர்கிட்ட இப்படிம்பா, வசிஷ்டர்னா அப்படி அப்படிம்பார். அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும் அவசியம் இல்லை, இப்படிதான் எல்லாருக்குமே. அதுக்காக ஐ எம் பிக் யூ ஆர் லெஸ் இல்லை, எல்லாருக்குமே நமஸ்காரம் தானே. how are you? I am fine. மிச்சவாள்லாம் how are you? விஸ்வாமித்திர மகரிஷி என்னப்பா சௌரியமா, உங்க சந்தியாவெல்லாம் ஒழுங்கா பண்றியா? வசிஷ்டர் கேட்க முடியாது இல்லையா. யூ கேனாட் கோ அண்ட் ஆஸ்க் வசிஷ்டா, வசிஷ்டா என்ன சந்தியாவெல்லாம் ஒழுங்கா பண்றீரா? யூ கேனாட் ஆஸ்க் ஹிம். சின்ன வேற அதர் பிரம்மச்சாரி will be there, other fellows, என்னடா என்ன பண்ற, ஒழுங்கா வேதனை ஒழுங்கா படிக்கிறியா சொல்றியா அப்படின்னு we can ask them. அதனால as appropriate, அனுரூபமா as appropriate the inquiries are made by Vishwamitra to all of them. And the moment he asked after them, அவளுக்கெல்லாம் தே சர்வே கிருஷ்ண மனஸ்தஸ்ய, எல்லாருக்கும் சந்தோஷம் எடுத்து ஆஹா அப்படின்னு. all of them were happy. விஸ்வாமித்திரர் என்ன கண்டுட்டார், விஸ்வாமித்திர மகரிஷி என்ன பார்த்து சொன்னார் அப்படின்னு எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரே சந்தோஷம். all of them were happy, and together with all of them they all entered back into the main hall. அங்க வந்த உடனே அங்க இது எக்ஸ்டர்னல் அவுட்வர்ட் வெல்கம். ஒன்ஸ் he goes inside பெரிய வெல்கம் இருக்காங்க. ப்ராப்பர் வெல்கம் கேன் பி டன் ஒன்ஸ் they are inside the house இல்லையா. எப்பவுமே some important guests come, we'll come and welcome them outside. Once they go inside, you make them seated, then you give them ஏதோ காஃபி டீ ஏதாவது கொடுத்து பால்கள் தேனுன்னு கொடுத்து whatever you may have made for them, பிஸ்கெட்டு பஜ்ஜி பக்கோடா என்ன பண்ணியோ, you bring all of that and give it to them. அந்த மாதிரி மெதுவா பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா. you do all of that slowly. அந்த மாதிரியே they are first Vishwamitra Maharishi was welcomed at the gate, now taken inside. Anga he was given an appropriate asanam, and Dasharatha Maharaja speaks to him in very beautiful words. Yata amritasya sampraptihi yata varshamanudake yata sadrisadareshu पुत्र जन्म अप्रजस्य च प्रणष्टस्य यथा लाभो यथा हर्षो महोदये तथैव आगमनं मन्ये स्वागतं ते महामुने. Beautiful shlokam by which Dasharatha welcomes Vishwamitra. Swagatam te mahamune, welcome to you, O great sage. Your arrival here, ஆகமனம் தே ஆகமனம், உன்னுடைய ஆகமனம் இருக்கே, your arrival here, மன்யே I consider it like this. என்னதுன்னா யதா அமிர்தஸ்ய சம்பிராப்திஹி, it is like getting அமிர்தம், it is like getting the nectar of immortality. யதா அமிர்தஸ்ய சம்பிராப்திஹி யதா வர்ஷம் அனூதகே like rain upon parched land. Your arrival is like rain falling upon parched land. Yatha sadrishadareshu putra janma prajasya cha. It is like a man who is married to an appropriate, worthy wife, and still the two of them do not have any children. And if then they should finally have a child. Pranashtasya yata labhaha. A person who had a lot of wealth was lost, and as he was in the grief of that lost wealth, he recovers it finally. Abba, how happy he will be. Pranashtasya yata labhaha. Yata harsho mahodaye. When a great good fortune shines upon us, a great achievement is happening, a great celebration is due, then all the people are happy, a festive occasion, there is so much joy. Like that. Tataiva agamanam manye swagatam te mahamune. Mahamune, your arrival is equal to that. Abadina romba alaka, he gives certain comparisons, certain metaphors or similes here. Each of these are very unique, appropriately chosen Dirghadarshiyana king. They include past, present and future. They include the past, present and the future. The king is not making empty statements. Empty statements சொல்லல. சில பேர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, ஏதாவது ஆத்துல பாயசம் பண்ணினோம்னா அந்த பாயசம் அமிர்தம் மாதிரி இருக்கு போ அப்படிம்போ. பாயசத்தை சாப்பிட்டு இட்ஸ் லைக் அமிர்தம். Have you ever eaten amritam? Have you ever tasted amritam? Do you know even what amritam is? Then what is the use of your comparison? அமிர்தம் மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு சொல்ல அர்த்தம் இல்லையோ இல்லையோ, no meaning இல்லையா? But we do that. We just say something because it sounds nice, appropriate இருக்கிறதுனால சொல்லுவோம் அமிர்தமா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு. And the king is not saying like that. ரொம்ப appropriate சொல்றான். யதா அமிர்தஸ்ய சம்பிராப்திஹி, just as amritam is obtained அப்படின்னு. அமிர்தம் கிடைச்சா யாருக்குமே சந்தோஷம் தான். Everybody will be happy if somebody suddenly comes and gives you a pot of amritam. Pot என்ன, ஒரு drop of amritam is also enough. அமிர்தம், nectar of immortality, elixir of immortality வந்து கையில கொடுத்து இந்த அமிர்தம் அப்படின்னா who will not be happy? ஆனா that is not the happiness that he is talking about here. He is recollecting perhaps a past incident, an event that happened which is going to later on be told to us. What is it அப்படின்னா, when he was a young boy, Dasharatha, when he was a young lad, even before he got married to Kaushalya Devi, at that time when he had gone hunting erroneously by mistake, he kills a young ascetic boy. ஒரு தபஸ்வி Shravanakumarana, he kills him, and he has got to convey the news of the death of this Shravanakumar to the blind parents who are waiting for the arrival of the son upon whom they are entirely dependent. At that moment, when this body is lying there, by mistake he has killed this child, up in his heart how much he would have felt, if a little bit of amritam can be had, if I can bring this child back to life, in that predicament, nothing would have made him happier than amritam which would have brought the boy back to life. And he did not get that amritam that day. Yata amritasya sampraptihi. Anniki urghal, that day, if suppose I had gotten amrita, I would have been so happy. Abdine chonnar tanake challikira, he said that first. But then, since he did not get amrita that day, he cannot be sure as to how happy he will be. It is only a projection. I would have most likely been very happy, but since I never did get it, I do not know exactly how happy I will be. Therefore, I cannot really use that as the example here. He leaves it. He goes to the next one. Yata varshamanudake. Just as rainfall upon a parched land, next example comes to his mind. Why? Abdina Romapada, his good friend, was ruling over a kingdom, Angadesha, where there was a severe drought, there was no rainfall at all, the land was parched. In the end, the king had to devise all kinds of stratagems to bring Rishashringa to his kingdom so that rain may come. And when Rishashringa walked in and the rain poured, how happy Romapada would have been. How does Dasharatha know this? Romapada was a very good friend of his, and Romapada kept on lamenting to him. Apappa WhatsApp message vandrum Dasharathanukku, innum mala varala. Today also no rain, Dasharatha. Don't worry, Ramapada, it will happen. இப்படியா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க கடைசியில ஒன் டே தசரதா இட் ரெயின் டுடே அப்படின்னு ஒரு வாய்ஸ் மெசேஜ் வருது, வீடியோ மெசேஜ், அப்படி ரெயின்லாம் காமிக்கிறார். அப்போ how happy Ramapada was that day, இல்லையா? And as a king, he knows if his own kingdom should suffer like that, how distressed he would be and how welcome would those showers be. அப்படிங்கிறதுனால யதா வருஷமனூதகே அப்படின்னு he gave that example. That is also appropriate. It is also based on knowledge, and at the same time hearsay knowledge, not experiential knowledge. He did not experience such a situation also. Adanala, although he gives it as an appropriate simile, still he is not satisfied. Adanala, he draws something from his own life. Ennadina yata sadrishadareshu putra janma aprajasya cha. Beautiful queens, Kausalya, Sumitra, Kaikeyi, abdina beautiful queens. King is virtuous, king is dharmic, the queens are beautiful and dharmic, from good families, good pedigree, good heritage, ella irundum I did not have any children. Koyandaliye, for such a long time I was agonizing over the fact that I did not have any children. Finally, when Rama was born to me, the ananda that I felt on that day when Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna were born to me, that ananda I have experienced personally. I feel that ananda today on seeing you. Abdingaradhanala yatha sadrishadareshu putra janma prajasya cha. Abdinu Dasharatha has submitted. This is past and present. இனிமே ஃபியூச்சர் என்ன? ஃபியூச்சர் நப்ரணஷ்டஸ்ய யதா லாபஹா. when something is lost and then regained, recovered once again, how happy it will be. யாருக்குன்னா Sri Rama. Rama is going to lose Sita in the future. pranashtamaha pora Sita. Sita is going to become lost to him, and after wailing and crying over her loss, after not knowing how am I ever going to get her back, finally, when after all the Herculean efforts, as it were, building a bridge, collecting an army of monkeys and bears, laying siege to Lanka, winning over that battle after so many different Rakshasas came out and had to fight and be killed, mighty ones, Kumbhakarna, Indrajit, Ravana Swayam. Finally, when Sita had to come, even then there was a bit of a problem. Finally, after she entered into the fire, Tripyam Pranashtam, lost again, and then when she was recovered by him, how happy he will be in the future. Pranashtasya yata labaha. And as the final simile, yata harsho mahodaye. A great festive occasion. What is that festive occasion? Sri Rama's coronation, Sri Rama Pattabhishekam, which should have happened 14 years ago. On the date that was picked, it did not happen. Everything went topsy-turvy and Rama was exiled. For 14 years, the people of Ayodhya waited. For 14 years, the queens waited, the ministers waited, the purohits waited, the ordinary people of Ayodhya waited, the army waited, everybody was waiting, counting the day. 14, not 1 or 2, 14 long years they waited. Finally, Niki Ramar Pattabhishekam. How happy everybody would have been. The collective happiness of Chaitya children. Yata harsho mahodaye tata Tataiva, exactly like that. Tava manye tavagamam te, your arrival, te agamanam, your arrival is exactly like that to me. அப்படின்னா அழகா he welcomes the. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம் அப்படின்னா, they are not empty words. These are not empty words, they are words that come from experience and knowledge. So, how should we welcome somebody? If you have to welcome somebody, we have to be genuine about it. Dasharatha Maharaja is demonstrating to us in this particular shlokam. What can I do for you? I am the one who is delighted by your arrival. Adanal, it is my duty that today my Adyame Safalam Janma Jeevitam Cha Sujeevitam. My life has been fulfilled today, I feel, because such an extraordinary Brahma Rishi like you has arrived here today. Gulamari Mandirkare. पूर्वराज ऋषि शब्देन तपसा द्योतितः प्रभः ब्रह्म ऋषित्वमाप अनुप्राप्तः पूज्योसि बहुधा मया. Previously you were a Raja Rishi, now you are Raja. I am only a king. And you were a Raja Rishi, a kingly Rishi. And you were also a king like me. You were also a Kshatriya king like me, but from living as a king you became a Raja Rishi. And then from that, through your own tapasya, you tapasa dyotita prabha, you are, by your own tapasya, you are shining with so much of radiance, you got promoted to the higher state of being a Brahma Rishi. From being a Raja Rishi, you became a Brahma Rishi. Adanala, tapasa dyotita prabha, your splendor has been increased by your tapas, by your austerity. Such an extraordinary person as you is in every way worshipable by me. Pujyosi bahuda maya. Maya pujyosi. You are worthy of worship by me. Adhanale, inga vandadhanal enak enna aachu appadina, by your arrival here, what has happened? Tad adbhutamidam brahman pavitram paramam mama shubhakshet Tragataschaham tava sandarshanat prabho. Your arrival has conferred extraordinary purity upon me, as though I have gone to a holy place of pilgrimage, to a holy Tirtha Kshetra. When I go to a Tirtha Kshetra and I have a dip in that water, then I become purified. Anna, today, without my having to stir out of my house, you have come to my house, Ilya. Adanale, in every way I am beholden to you. Tell me, what can I do? Bruhi. Yat prarthitam tubhyam karyamagamanam prati. Ninga edukaga vandel sollunga. What is it that you desired in making this trip here? Ichchami anugrihitoham tvadartha parivruddhaye. If you will consider me worthy of fulfilling your desire, I will think of myself as very honored, very privileged. Anugrihitosmi. I will consider myself honored and blessed if you would give me the opportunity to fulfill your desire, your wish. What have you come here for? You don't have to think about it, don't have to hesitate about it. Karyasyana vimarshanam cha gantumarhasi kaushika. Bhagavane, please don't hesitate, please don't feel embarrassed, please don't have any kind of the second thoughts in you. How can I ask this king? If I should ask him this, will he mistake me? Will he judge me? Will he think, this Rishi is coming and asking these kind of things? Abdin, please do not think whatsoever. Yenna Daivatam hi bhavan mama. You are my God. Daivatam hi bhavan mama. Mama bhavan Daivatam. You are to me God. Adanala Karta chaham asheshena. Adanala, whatever it is that you want, I will do it. Does not matter what it is. You are great in tapas, all of that is all right, but in spite of all of that, you say, hey, Dasharatha, I want some wealth. Tare, I will give it to you. Ilya, Mitra, Dasharatha, I feel like getting married now. I said, Paravalla, Saubhari no Rishi Pratham Ponar, Mandata, Angor king. There was a Rishi called Saubhari who went to Mandata, the king, and said, I want to get married. Sherry, get married. What should I do? Hall, arrange panitane. I will arrange for the cook and hall. No, I want your daughter. Give me your daughter in marriage. Adu kuda Mandata was ready. Don't hesitate no matter what it is that you want. Dana, Kanaka, Vastu, Vahanadi, whatever it is that you want, I will give it to you. Don't hesitate. You are to me God. Your wish is my command. To me, great fortune has come to me in your form. Abhyudayam mandurtu enakku. Adanala naan ennodia punya has been realized today. My dharma has borne fruit. Therefore, whatever it is, you please ask me, I will do it for you. Vishwamitra is very happy. வினீதமா வார்த்தை, வினீதமுக்தம்னு சொன்னான். How did Dasharatha speak அப்படின்னா, with great humility in his heart he spoke these words. Vishwamitra was very happy because you cannot fool the rishi. Rishi cannot be fooled by mere empty words. The rishi knows the bhavam. அதனால he was very happy. சொன்ன உடனே ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாயிடுத்து அவருக்கு. தஸ்ருத்வா ராஜசிம்ஹஸ்ய வாக்கியமத்புத விஸ்தரம் ஹர்ஷ்டரோமா மகாதேஜா விஸ்வாமித்ரோப்யபாஷத. Vishwamitra became very happy when the king said this. His hair stood on its ends. Harsharoma. Roma harshanam aiduttam avarku. The hair stood on Vishwamitra's body. Aha! Niki, I am going to see Rama. I am going to get Rama. He has come to ask for Rama. The king, when he promised, no matter what you want, I will give you. He Rama is going to come. The very thought of finally Bhagavan coming to him, Anandam vandudutha avarku. Pulukongama edutha, the whole hair stood on its ends in his body. Sadrisho Raja Shardula Tavaidadbhuvinanyada Mahavamsha Prasutasya Vashishtavyapadeshinaha. Raja Shardula, or tiger amongst kings, having been born in an extraordinary race, Mahavamsha Prasutasya, you have been born in an extraordinary clan. Being born in a good clan is one thing, but at the same time, Vashishtavyapadeshinaha, you have been guided by Vashishta. You have been instructed by Vashishta. Adanala, naturally, you have spoken in the as expected manner. The words that you have uttered are in every way befitting of your birth in such an illustrious clan and the tutelage that you have received under Vashishta Bhagavan. Vashishta very sandosha vandurthavarku. Nanna choli kuduthirukkaru Vashishta. Paravala, thevala. Not bad. Vashishta has done a good job. Vashishta Vyapadeshinaha. Adanala, for somebody who is Vashishta's disciple, you have performed well. For somebody who was born in Surya Kula, you have spoken well. Nobody else can speak these words the way you have spoken. Since you have said in this manner, Raja Shardula, Raja Shardula, oh tiger amongst kings, since you have said this, me hridgatam enode yattu me hridgatam vakyam tasya karyasya nischayam Kurushva. Raja Shardula, Bhava Satya Pratishravaha. Children, hey tiger amongst kings, since you have said in this manner, I will now reveal what I have in my heart. You take a decision to remain truthful to your promise. You kudutha vaarte kaapathradhukku ready yaar. Seriya? All right. Kepane. Swami, why do you have to ask? Done. Chalunga. Apashari. I am doing a yajna. Rishi yajna dane pannuvar. What else will a rishi do? Such a rishi as Vishwamitra, who loves the welfare of all the world, he will always be engaging himself in actions that bring about the welfare of the world. There is nothing surprising about it. Now, children, in order to do some good to the world, I am doing a yajna, but at the same time, whenever I do the yajna, Dvau Rakshasa, there are two Rakshasas specifically who come. Kama Rupino, they take whatever forms they want to, and Vigna Karo, and they come and become obstructors of my yajna. And whenever I have got to perform my yajna, then as the yajna is nearing completion, they do not come in the beginning. Right when my yajna is going to be completed, Vrate Samaptyam, Appo, Veeravantam, ரொம்ப strong, Susukshitau, well-trained fellows. They were skilled in many arts. Marichascha Subahuscha, Veeryavantau, Susukshitau. This Maricha and Subahu are the two fellows who come there, and what do? They rain upon the sacrificial altar blood, a stream of blood, flesh. So Mamsa Rudiraughayana. Mamsamum Rudiramum, flesh and blood, they rain upon the sacrificial altar. நானும் பண்ண பண்ண பார்க்கிறேன். எவ்ரி டைம் ஐ ட்ரை டு டூ இட், தீஸ் ஃபெலோஸ் கம் அண்ட் டிஸ்ட்ராய் இட். ஃபைனலி ஐ பிகேம் ஃப்ரஸ்ட்ரேட்டட். ஐ புட் அ ஹால்ட் டு இட். அவதூத்தே, அது தூக்கி போட்டு வந்துட்டேன் நான். ஐ லெஃப்ட் தர் கண்ட்ரி அண்ட் கேம் ஹியர். பட் அட் த சேம் டைம் அவர் சொல்றார், ஏன்னா everybody is surprised about it. You know, Vishwamitra Maharishi was known for his anger. He was known for anger. When he was Rajarishi, first Maharishi, Rajarishi, Maharishi எல்லாம் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கும்போது he was known for his anger. சும்மா சும்மா but everybody was surprised. After all, two Rakshasas came. You could have humkarene vatem basmana. அப்படினாலே they would have all been burnt to ashes. அதுக்கப்புறமா அது விபூதி ஆட்டம் நீங்க பாட்டு பண்ண வேண்டியதானே. could have burnt them to ashes, applied them on your forehead as a vibhuti and then continued your yajna. அப்படின்னா he gives a reason for that. He says nachame krodhamutsrishtum buddhir bhavati parthiva tata bhuta hisacharya na shapastatra muchyate. அவர் சொல்றார், in my heart the urge to curse them is not arising. Anger is not arising. Nacha krodham utsrushtum. To give vent to my anger, buddhir na buddhir bhavati parthiva. என்னோட மனசுல தோண மாட்டேங்கிறது. I don't feel the need to become angry at them. And at the same time, the nature of the yajna that I am doing also is that I should not curse them. அவளை curse பண்ணப்படாது. ஏன்னா லோகக்ஷேமார்த்தம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறதுனால அவளெல்லாம் curse பண்ணப்படாது. Therefore, I don't feel like cursing them also, and as such, I am not able to complete the yajna. தசரதன் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். சரி, விஷயத்துக்கு வரும் போய் come to the matter. What is the come to the point? அப்படின்னா பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு வந்துட்டார். நெக்ஸ்ட் கம். அதனால he comes to the point. He says swaputro rajashardula tiger amongst kings. அப்படி சொன்னாதானே அவள் சந்தோஷப்படுவா இல்லையா? ராஜா அப்படின்னு சந்தோஷம். ஓ டைகர் அமங்ஸ்ட் கிங்ஸ் அப்படின்னா நரஷார்தூலா அப்படின்னு சொல். ராஜஷார்தூலா, நாட் மியர்லி அ டைகர் அமங்ஸ்ட் மென், யூ ஆர் அ டைகர் அமங்ஸ்ட் கிங்ஸ். கிங்லியே யூ ஆர் தி சக்கரவர்த்தி, எம்பரர் ஹி வாஸ். ராஜஷார்தூலா ஸ்வபுத்ரோ ராஜஷார்தூல ராமோ சத்யபராக்கிரமம் காகபக்ஷதரோ வீரோ ज्येष्ठौ मे दातुमर्हसि शक्तो ह्यशे मया गुप्तो दिव्येन स्वेन तेजसा राक्षसा ये विकर्तारस्तेषामपि विनाशने. Dasharatha was thinking, all right, he is going to say, since I am doing my yajna, I am having a lot of difficulties in completing it because Rakshasas are coming, I am not able to do anything. Sari, get the weapons ready, get the army ready, we will go and help Rishi. Even as he was ready, he was saying, don't worry Maharshi, I will come. He was almost on the verge of saying it. Swaputram, your son, own son, Swaputram. வாடகைக்கு வாங்கின புத்திரம்லாம் வேண்டாம். நீ பாட்டு விஸ்வாமித்திர யஜ்ஞமா, no rental sons or sons for hire, your own son, swaputram. நாலு புத்திரன் இருக்கான் இல்லையா? he's got 4 sons. ராமம் சத்யபராக்கிரமம் காகபக்ஷதரம் வீரம் ஜேஷ்டம் மே தாத்துமர்ஹசி. For this purpose you should give me தாத்துமர்ஹசி. You ought to give me. It is befitting if you give me. You should give me என்னது அப்படின்னா, you should place at my disposal, O tiger amongst kings, what now? Your eldest son, your heroic son, your son with the காகபக்ஷதரம் வீரம் அப்படின்னா. காகபக்ஷா அப்படின்னா லிட்ரல் மீனிங் என்ன அப்படின்னா, காக்கா க்ரோ, பக்ஷம்னா விங்ஸ், க்ரோ விங்ஸ். இப்போ அந்த காலத்து ஹேர் ஸ்டைல் அது. ஹேர் ஸ்டைல் இன் தோஸ் டேஸ் ஹவு இஸ் இட் அப்படின்னா, லைக் ஏன்னா இப்படி தொங்க விட்டணும்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், இந்த காக்காவோட 2 விங்ஸ் மாதிரி இல்லையா அப்படி இருக்கு. இப்போ இதுவே காக்கபக்ஷம் மாதிரி தானே இருக்கு பாருங்க. crow wings. Crow black color la, and the hair, if it is like this, it looks like the crow's wings. Pinnadi kaaka apdi kichittu. Kaakapakshadaram. Kaakapakshadaram veeram. That great heroic son of yours, Satyaparakramam of true prowess, Jeshtam, eldest son, Ramam, Rama, Kaakapakshadaram, அழகு வேற, இந்த அழகான கூந்தலோட இருக்கானே அவன். The one with the beautiful hair, சூரம் வீரம் சத்யபராக்கிரமம்ங்கிறது காகபக்ஷதரம் வேற நடுவில் வந்துடுது. இவர் எப்போ பார்த்தாருன்னு கூட தெரியல, காகபக்ஷதரத்தை எப்போ பார்த்தாருன்னு தெரியல. When did he see this காகபக்ஷ? He has not yet seen Rama. Divya Drishila பார்த்துட்டார். He has not physically seen Rama, but he has been meditating on Rama all the time இல்லையா, அதனால he has been seeing Rama. காகபக்ஷதரம் வீரம், அவர் கண்ணில் அதான் படுறது. காகபக்ஷதரம், ராஜீவலோசனெல்லாம் கண்டு காகபக்ஷதரம்னு பட்டது, எதுக்கு பட்டதோ தெரியாது. When Dasharatha is going to describe Rama, he is going to say, Me Ramo Rajivalochanaha, my Rama with the lotus eyes. Ana, Vishwamitra Maharshi says the one with the crowing hairstyle. Give me the boy with the crowing hairstyle. Of the crowning glory is the crowing hairstyle of Rama. Kaagabakshadaram veeram jeshtam me datumarhasi. He alone is capable of destroying all these demons, aided both by his own Shakti, Svena Tejasa, by his own prowess, as well as protected by Maya Gupto Divyena. I will give him divine protection, and apart from that, his own strength is there for him. Adanala, he is the best person to do all of this. Shreyas chasmai pradasyami bahurupona samshayaha. I shall bestow upon him, confer upon him all kinds of goods, there is no doubt about it. Trayanam apilokanam yena kyatim gamishyati, by which his glory shall reach all the three worlds. Both Maricha and Subahu will not be able to withstand the power of Rama, they will immediately perish. Adana, nobody else can do it. Nachatau Ragavadanyo Hantumutsakhate Puman. Other than Rama, nobody else can face them and destroy them. Adanala, I want this Rama. Although they are proud of their strength, although these two Rakshasas are very proud of their strength, still they are not a match for Rama. Na Ramasya Rajashardhula na paryaptau sama mahatmanaha. They are not equal to Rama in strength. Adanala, children, na putrakrita sneham kartumarkhasi parthiva. Don't hesitate on the account of your paternal affection for your son. Putra snehatanala, ayyo en kozhandai, my son, abdingiradanaala, do not be blinded to the capacities and the capabilities of Rama, thinking of him as only as your son. Aham te pratijanami hatau tau viddirakshasau. I know for a fact that they will perish at his hands, those Rakshasas. Therefore, I assure you, pratijanami, I give you the assurance, you send Rama. Aham vedmi mahatmanam ramam satyaparakkramam Vashishtopi mahateja yeche me tapasistitaha. I know his glory. Aham vedmi mahatmanam, I know Rama's glory. Ramam satyaparakkramam, that Mahatma Rama satyaparakkramam, the true prowess of Rama I know. And I am not the only person who knows about it. Vashishtopi mahateja, this Vashishta who is an extraordinarily lustrous, radiant tapasvi, Brahma Rishi, he also knows about it. Yecha ime tapasistitaha, and all these others tapasvis who are sitting here, all of them also know about Rama's prowess. Yadite dharmalabam cha yashascha paramam bhuvi stitamichasi rajendra ramam me datumarhasi. If you desire the benefits of dharma to accrue to you, if you desire everlasting fame in this world, then it is fit and proper for you to give Rama to me. Don't, I am not forcing you. Yadi hyanugyam kakusta dadate tava mantrinaha. If consult with all of these counselors that you have with Vashishta as the leader, Vashishta Pramukha Sarve Tato Ramam Visarjaya, check with them, and if they all agree with what I have said, then you can give Rama back, Rama to me. Appa you can give Rama to me. For how long? Don't worry. अभिप्रेतमसंसक्तात्मजं दातुमर्हसि दशरात्रं हि यज्ञस्य रामं राजीवलोचनम्. 10 nights only. I am asking for Rama to be with me for a period of 10 nights only for the interests of the yajnartham, for the sake of the yajna. You must give Rama to me. Ramam Rajivalochanam. அப்படின்னு இங்கே அவரும் சொல்றார், Rama, the one with lotus like eyes, you should give him to me for a mere 10 days. அதுக்கு நாத்யேதி காலோ யஜ்ஞஸ்ய யதா யோம ராகவ तथा कुरुष्व भद्रन्ते मा च शोके मनकृताः. Give this child of yours to me very soon, quickly, so that my sacrifice is, time to do the sacrifice is not delayed. I am asking you to consult everybody. அதுக்காக I will consult them. Next year we will have a summit meeting upon this. Therefore, if you come back in another 2 years time, we will have a decision for you, because the time for my yajna is well nigh. அதனால without any sorrow in your heart, immediately you should send Rama with me. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி he became quiet. He became quiet. இல்லையோ என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா your body சொல்லிட்டே போறார். Vishwamitra has been speaking all this. We do not know how much Dasharatha heard. ஏன்னா ராமம் சத்யபராக்கிரமம் ஜேஷ்டம் புத்திரம் தாத்தும் அர்ஹசின்னா அன்னைக்கே the moment he said காகபக்ஷதரம் வீரம் Rama, the beautiful Rama, you should give me அப்படின்னு when that her voice was heard by him, என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா சதன்னிஷம்ய ராஜேந்திரோ விஸ்வாமித்ர வசசுபம். வால்மீகி சொல்ற விஸ்வாமித்ர வசசுபம் அப்படின்னு. The auspicious words of Vishwamitra when the king heard. When the auspicious words went in to his ear, they became inauspicious to him. They were auspicious already. எல்லாருக்கும் சுபகரம் தான் auspicious, but when they went in, auspicious ஆயிடுது. என்ன ஆனா ஷோகேன out of grief மகதாவிஷ்டான பெரிய grief வந்துருத்தான். மகதா ஷோகேன ஆவிஷ்டான பெரிய சோகம். Great grief came upon him. Chamumohacha, he was Chachalacha, Mumohacha, Chachala, he started to tremble. His entire body started to tremble in that grief, and not only that, but he also fainted. Mayakame potu vindutara Mumohacha. He fainted, fell down. Naingan vindutara. Chijo, Raja. When the king fell down, all the people immediately, ஒரு mechanism இருக்கும் இல்லையா, emergency எல்லாம் rush பண்ணிட்டு உடனே code red அப்படின்னு வந்துட்டு எல்லாம். How they put sprinkled water upon him, pressed his feet, massaged his feet, fanned எல்லாம் பண்ண அப்படி எழுந்துக்கிறார் ராஜா. கலையோ வைஷ்ணவ மாயையோ, what is this? Was it only a dream? నేను దశరథను తానో? Am I still Dasharatha? Was it only a dream? Was it a Vaishnava Maya? Did it all really happen? அப்படின்னு எழுந்துக்கிறார். லப்த சந்யஸ்ததோத்தாய வியஷீததபயான்விதா, அப்படி எழுந்துட்டார். He tried to get up immediately. He sank back down in fear. பயாத், அப்படி பயத்துல அப்படியே. ஹிருதய மனோவிதாரணமா இருந்துதான். The words of Vishwamitra were capable of breaking his heart and mind. Mind and heart broke for him by just listening to these words. அப்படின்னு அப்படியே உட்கார்ந்துட்டாரா. King was greatly aggrieved, very mentally very agitated by all of அதீவ வியதிதமனாக அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. அதீவ வியதிதமனாக பிரச்சசால சாசனாத். He was shaken from his throne. He felt shaken off his throne itself by the words that he heard. அதை கேட்ட நாளைக்கும் he fainted. He regained his consciousness. முகூர்த்தமிவ நிஸ்ஸஞ்ஞ, ஒரு முகூர்த்த காலம் he fainted and came back again. And what he is going to tell Vishwamitra, we will see tomorrow. மணி ஆயிடுத்தே, already time. அவர் இப்பதான் ரெக்கவர் ஆயிருக்கார் இல்லையா. He fainted, he just recovered. We'll give him some time. Let him recover. Tomorrow we will catch up with him to see how he is doing. Whether he is fully recovered or not, whether the glucose kudukanuma. Should he be put on some drips or something? What is the status, we will see tomorrow, and then we will continue tomorrow. जानकी कांतस्मरणं जय जय राम राम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। श्री साई ईश्वरार्पणमस्तु।